AI is transforming education through interactive learning experiences. In this session, we explore how AI-driven technologies enhance engagement, personalized learning, and foster collaboration among students. From adaptive learning tools to immersive VR experiences, AI is revolutionizing how we teach and learn. Join us as we look into these cutting-edge innovations and their impact on education. Interactive learning experiences have become a fundamental aspect of contemporary education, providing students with lively and captivating methods to gain knowledge. With the initiation of artificial intelligence, AI, these experiences are becoming more sophisticated, personalized, and effective. AI-driven interactive learning leverages advanced technologies such as natural language processing, machine learning, and data analytics to create immersive educational environments. Now, let's see how AI enhances the engagement and responsiveness of educational content. AI enhances interactive learning by making educational content more engaging and responsive. For example, AI-powered educational games and simulations allow students to explore complex concepts in a hands-on, experiential manner. These tools can adjust the level of difficulty based on the learner's progress, ensuring that students remain challenged but not frustrated. Now, let's discuss the AI-driven discussions in tutoring. AI can facilitate interactive discussions through chatbots and virtual tutors, which can answer questions, provide explanations, and guide students through problem-solving processes. This interactive approach keeps students actively involved in their learning, making the experience more enjoyable and effective. Following this, we'll explore the significant advantage of personalization in AI-driven learning. One of the significant advantages of AI in interactive learning is its ability to personalize the educational experience. AI systems analyze data on student performance, preferences, and behavior to tailor content and activities to each learner's needs. This ensures that learning experiences are not only interactive, but also highly relevant to each student's learning style and pace. It's time for a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Let's see what you've learned. What is one of the primary functions of robotic process automation? Option A, automate repetitive and rule-based tasks. Option B, improve user interface design. Option C, enhance cloud storage capabilities. Option D, upgrade hardware components. Take a moment to think about it. I'll give you 10 seconds. Time's up, and the answer is Option B. AI-driven interactivity enhances student engagement by supplementing traditional learning methods with interactive simulations and virtual labs, which respond to student actions in real time, making education more dynamic and interactive. AI can also enhance collaborative learning experiences, enabling students to work together more effectively. AI-driven tools can facilitate group projects by matching students with complementary skills and providing platforms for virtual collaboration. These tools analyze group dynamics and suggest ways to improve teamwork and communication. Let's discuss how AI can assist in peer assessment. AI can assist in peer assessment by providing insights into each student's contributions, ensuring that evaluations are fair and constructive. For example, AI can monitor group interactions during a project, identify when a student might be dominating the discussion, and suggest ways to ensure more balanced participation. Moving on, let's explore the future possibilities of AI in interactive learning. The future of AI in interactive learning holds exciting possibilities, such as more immersive virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR experiences. These technologies allow students to interact with three-dimensional models and simulations in real time, providing a holistic educational experience. Despite the potential, several challenges remain, including ensuring data privacy and security, addressing biases in AI algorithms, and providing equitable access to AI-enhanced educational tools. Addressing these challenges is important to fully realize the potential of AI in education. It's time for a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Let's see what you've learned. What is one of the primary functions of robotic process automation? Option A, automate repetitive and rule-based tasks. Option B, improve user interface design. Option C, enhance cloud storage capabilities. Option D, upgrade hardware components. Take a moment to think about it. I'll give you 10 seconds. Time's up, and the answer is option C. AI-powered real-time feedback and assessment offers instant, personalized insights into student performance, helping students quickly correct mistakes and learn more effectively while providing educators with valuable data to tailor instruction. AI-driven interactive tools can make traditional learning more engaging, personalized, and collaborative. By integrating AI technologies, educators can create innovative learning environments that cater to the diverse needs of students, ensuring a deeper understanding and better retention of knowledge. As we approach the end, let's summarize the impact of AI on education. Interactive learning experiences enriched by AI represent a significant advancement in educational technology. By making learning more engaging, personalized, and collaborative, AI-driven interactive tools help students achieve a deeper understanding and retain knowledge more effectively. Finally, let's look at how educators can embrace AI technologies. Educators can embrace AI technologies to support student success and prepare them for future challenges. The continued development and thoughtful implementation of AI technologies will be essential in creating innovative and effective learning environments that cater to the diverse needs of students. Thank you for your dedication and focus throughout this session. Next, we will discuss the harnessing interactive educational potential using AI-driven interactivity. Let's continue to expand our knowledge and skills together.